Yeah. What are you doing there, huh?
Good morning, cat.
I think she was trying to hunt.
Are you hunter, cat? Huh?
Yeah, hunter.
Hunter, meow. Come on, come on, come on, come. Cat. Come. No, dear. No, good cat. That is mommy.
He was hiding for hunt.
No, what you are hunting, huh? I need to hunt, I will feed you. Oh, a big hair cat.
Handsome guy.
Big loco. But you come. Oh, you come. Oh, you good kitty.
Come to daddy, come. Let's pet Eldo.
Come on to mommy, come. I will pet you, good kitty. I will pet you. Oh, you just look, his whiskers, long, big whiskers. My darling, he has long, beautiful whiskers. Yeah? Yes. Lazy cat? Oh, he's slow.
So slow.
Slow, lazy.
Maybe old kitty, huh?
Maybe old.
Come.
Yeah.
How you would catch bird?
Yeah. With this speed. Wait. Good guy. Good boy. Oh man, laziness.
So
Oh,
slow.
sure. Little lazy, slow cat. Sure.
Come. Sniffing me.
Oh, she will pet you. Yes, pet me, come on. Oh yes, came cattish. Came my cat. Yes. Oh, come to mommy, come. I will pet you, lazy cat. Yeah.
Hang this handsome guy, huh?
Oh. Maybe till evening he will
Come, let's-
finish his food.
Come. Yeah, easy.
Come. Yeah,
Bon
bon
appetit.
Huh?
He decided to eat.